video every Saturday. Well, now, it's right over there. We gotta walk up the creek a bit. We'll be there. We're gonna go explore the cave.
All right, come on, walk.
Well, we're at the Laurel Cave, so we're gonna go.
So we're going in the Laurel Cave. It's a self-guided cave tour, and you got to have a permit, and you got to turn your permit back in by 5 o'clock so they know you come out. We're going through the Laurel Cave, up the hollow a little bit, and into the Horns Hollow Cave, and then hiking about 3/4 of a mile back to the Welcome Center. We've did it before. It's pretty cool. Stay tuned. We are going to get wet. Which way are we going, Willie?
That way. We gotta go this way.
How you know?
Because I've been in this thing before.
This creek comes out of Horns Hollow. We'll be in and out of it the whole time.
Yay!
Your feet are going to have to get wet, bud.
Oh.
That's all there is to it. Come on, bud. Get up there, look straight up.
Oh no.
Those rocks slick.
That doesn't even wear water shoes. You wear socks. Oh, man.
Don't fall in that deep water, Walt.
20 degrees, like 40 or 30. Oh, jeez.
This is a real narrow part. We're basically just walking into Horns Hollow Creek. Look up, guys.
It's not cool. Is this not deep? Dad, is this not deep?
Nah. These look like drilling holes that come down.
Look, Dad. This is my kind of stuff.
Wow, that's cool.
Look, stop, Wolf. It's up right here. Wait for Dad. That's a pink one. Oh my God. Oh, so cold. I can go now. Flop. What do you mean?
Oh, this is a real narrow part.
Wait, look, Dad. Look what I did, Dad. I can climb like up to the top, but I don't want to.
The pass is big enough to walk in now. If you're claustrophobic, you would not like this, right, Willie? Well, look how the creek's made a stream, made a place through the rocks over the years. Oh boy. Wait, Wyatt, I'll carry if you want. Oh my, what are we going under?
Oh my!
Oh my, big hole. Don't, Wyatt, don't Wayne. There's the end of the Laurel Cave. That was pretty darn cool, guys. Wait for me. Oh my gosh, what's the temperature difference, Willie? It's like 84 out here in that cave. 70, 65. Straight up the hollow. The Horns Hollow Cave.
Dad, your light's still on.
Turn the lights off, guys.
Nobody walk across the...
Oh, look at all the tadpoles.
Dad, when we get to the next cave, me and Rob's going right through the middle
Okay.
of the deepest hole. Yep.
We're just walking up the creek about, I don't know, 200-300 yards. And we'll go in the Horns Hollow Cave. And it's about another 15-20 minutes through. Whoa! Wyatt's peeing. Almost got him on camera. That is the infamous Horns Hollow Cave.
You know what I call caves?
What?
Cavey Pavey.
That's the Horns Hollow Cave, guys. That's where we're heading. Woo! That's some cold water right there. It's not bad. Let's go. Let's go, 3W Outdoors. This is the start of the Horns Hollow Cave. Whew. Man, that water is cold right there. Look at that. That is cold. Horns Hollow has more water. It's just all ankle deep. But...
I'm just going straight to another.
Wait a minute. Let me see how deep it is. Whoa. Shoot.
But,
Oh, remember, this is the part we got to go around.
yeah.
Remember? Go straight across. Remember, you can go around this part. It's like a split, a fork. It's a fork in the road.
Oh my!
Oh man, you gotta get down low here. Hold up. Somebody lost a sock again, Willie. I don't see how people lose socks. The roof of this one isn't tall. No, the Laurel Cave's got a tall roof.
Tall roof. Okay.
Look where the water's flash flood. Look,
Either one.
it's totally filled this cave up. If you were in here during the flood, you'd be out of luck. The hole goes straight up.
During the flash flood, you better hope you can climb.
I don't think you could climb high enough. This whole cave fills up. Whoa. Wyatt, come up this way, bud.
No, I need to take a shower. I want to take a shower first. Oh, shower. My back is like I don't already have enough water. In my shoes. Whoa, look
Whoa, crap, that's deep.
Whoa, that's horrible. It looks like plastic.
Ooh, that is cool.
Look at that. It looks like plastic.
It looks like plastic, doesn't it?
Dad, I see
Man, that is awesome.
Yay! Wait, it sees the way out.
Wyatt sees the end.
I see it.
Wyatt's on a ledge over there. Look at him. Wyatt's on a ledge.
Okay.
All right, this is the end of the Horns Hollow.
Yep.
We've made it.
Why not the
End. Now we gotta hike the trail to the welcome center.
Yep.
Wet feet.
Yeah, but...
That was pretty darn fun though.
Yeah. I hated that one because you got rocks in your shoes.
Got rock, yeah. I got rocks in my shoes.
Yeah, me too.
Oh man, it is hot out here.
I hated that one because you got rocks in your shoes. All the way. gonna go on the Horn Hollow Trail to get back to the Welcome Center. It's 0.75% of a mile, so 3/4 of a mile. You guys ready? Yeah. What about you, Dad? You ready?
I'm ready.
Well, we made it through those caves, and now we're just heading back to the Welcome Center so Mom can pick us up and we'll go play in the creek.
Yep, we're having a little snack after we made it out. Made it out of the Horn Hollow. That was fun. What is this, guys? Straight up a mountain?
Yup. I did not know this.
Straight up a mountain after you hike through 2 caves.
Dad, I think you're still connected. We made it.
Straight up.
Look at that. This is not hiking up that.
Look at all that rhododendron.
What's that?
That tree growing on the side of the rock.
Yeah. Did you know, Mom didn't come here because she was really scared.
Scared?
She went.
Mom don't like water in the dark.
Wow!
Bigfoot call. We just climbed out of Horn Hollow, straight up a mountain. We're finally at the top. Wow, that was a big hill. Man, that deer scared us to death. It's right there, look at it. Wyatt spotted it.
Wow. One, two.
I think we're going down the ridge to the Welcome Center now. We're starting the descent down off the big ridge. They made the path where it crosses a hollow right here where it starts. That tree up there, the rocks are like pushing it.
See, Cole? Yeah,
That's the Welcome Center.
We made it.
We made it. Almost.
What a cool spot. I see the Welcome Center. I see that 50 close point. I want it back. Me too. Look at that.
We made it, guys.
I see. I go not have some weird person.
You want to do your own. We like to do our own thing here at 3W Outdoors, don't we?
Yeah.
We don't want to be guided.
Guiding us around.
No.
With their flashlight.
No. What kind of adventure is that?
Yeah.
Gotta return your permit to make sure they know you come out, so they don't have to go looking for you.
Hit the subscribe button for more great videos. Hit the bell to be notified when we post a new video on the 3W Outdoors channel.